Hi friends, over the weekend we went to cherry picking. We had lots of fun picking cherries and going on the tractor. Here we are on the tractor. I was eating cherries and throwing them behind my sister's back. There were lots of cherries, so we tried to get the best cherries in the whole field. I even tried to pick a cherry with my mouth right off the tree.
That's really weird. See, it's like a needle. You can squish it.
After we came back from cherry picking, we went to a visitor site called Falls. There are two falls, Upper Falls and Lower Falls. Now we're trying to go to the Lower Falls, but we took a break near a huge rock. There is the Upper Falls. We went to a barn that displayed technology in the 19th century. Some of them were still working. This, we didn't figure out what it was, but there was another one. It was a drill. There were lots of things in the barn, and there was also a thing called a broom cutter. This is the drill. Later, we went to the Lower Falls. It was so much bigger than Upper Falls. Near the Lower Falls, there was a huge bench, and there were rocks which were reddish around the falls. Here I am dancing on the big bench. Isn't it huge? My legs were hurting, so my dad gave me a piggyback.